Komachielo bende ni paro machi MANYIEN mabende chwale od bura gi Human Rep ma Nairobi Pasaris dwaro chungo rombe magalamoro machiegni gi od bura gi kuonde duto ma chiko rito. Chikno mabende otisi ni The Public Order Amendment Bill 2025 dwaro keto lokruok ne chike mabende tayo rombe mopogore opogore pacho kae.
This is not a suppression, it is structure. It is not silence, it is safeguard. The bill is not an attempt to muzzle dissent. It is a measure to ensure that protests are not hijacked by violence and that no Kenyan, be it a protester, a police officer, a bystander, suffers unjustly in the exercise of a right. Order is not the enemy of democracy, it is the foundation. We must protect the republic from disorder and ensure that the exercise of one's right does not become the infringement of another's safety. I urge this committee to support the bill, not for the government, not for parliament, but for every Kenyan who values peace, justice, and the rule of law.